Hello everybody, welcome back to Gamers Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to unbox a gaming motherboard from ASRock. The model number is B550 Gaming phone. I bought this from Vedant Computers and it cost me around 7,600 rupees. I have put a link in the description below if you want to check this out. So let's unbox it. There are some specifications here in the back side of the box. So inside the box, first we get two screw for M.2 SSD installation. The I/O shield of the motherboard, a thick user manual, and the driver installation CD. Also, we get two SATA cable. Motherboard is well packed inside an anti-static package, and here is the motherboard itself. We have 4 RAM slots in this motherboard as well as 2 M.2 SSD slots, and here are the I/O ports. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also, newcomers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get future notifications from me. See you in the next video. Stay tuned until then.